Hey designer, Alex here. Welcome to this course about Inception design system for Adobe XD. If you want to check out the full playlist with all the videos, make sure to click here or to click down in the description below. Link is going to be there. So enjoy this lesson. In this video, we are going to talk about typography in Inception design system, how it works and how can you adjust it for it to work for you. So let's get started. Here we are in the master file of Inception design system, and if you didn't watch previous videos, if you're watching this course on my website, click the previous video quite simply, or if you're watching it on YouTube, link to playlist is going to be down in the description below. So here we have the Inception design system master file, and in the previous lesson we talked about grids and how they work, but here we are going to talk about typography. So here we have the R port with typography, and let me remove the square so you can see it quite easily. What we have right here is headline 1. So if I show you right here, we have headlines. So headline 1, it's 86 points. So Proxima Nova 64 points, sorry. And we have line spacing of 72, weight is bold, character spacing is 0 pixels. So that's how easy it is to look at this. That's how easy it is for them to be structured and for you to take a quick glance, but you can of course change all of it. So you're not going to change this here. You're not going to press T and click right here and change it right here. What you are going to do is come right here where it says headlines, right click on them, click edit. And then what you can do is choose font or font family, whatever you want right here. Then you can choose the size, you can choose bold, and you can of course change the color. I would not recommend for you to change the color right here. I would recommend it to change inside of the colors right here, which is for the main colors. We're going to get to it in the next video in this class, but basically you can change the font name and font family. You can change the size and you can change the appearance. So it can be bold, light, medium, whatever the font family that you have chosen, it's going to update there. Make sure to keep in mind that once you make this decision, once you press enter or return on your keyboard, it's going to update it not just here, but throughout the entire design system. So no matter where this is used, so let's see headline 1, so 64, if it is used right here, it's going to update there. If it is used right here, it's going to update there. If it is used there, so wherever it is used, it's going to update in real time. So if you have a bit slower machine, make sure to give it a second or two to update and to load, because majority of these fonts and font sizes are used throughout this design system in many different places. So just give them a bit of time for them to update. And if I take you right here once again, it's exactly the same for all of them. So we have headings and we have body, so it's exactly the same structure. For the body fonts, usually what I did is, if I click right here, I use this option, so let me hide myself. I used fixed size so I can create a text box throughout this design system wherever it's possible. And for some of them I used simply this, which is auto width, which is for this, for example. So actually I used everything inside of the box here and inside of the box here. So let me quickly find it. I think, yeah, for all of them I think I used, but for some of them inside of our designs, so let's see, I think for this one, yeah, you can see. So when I click, it's auto width right here, but when I click on this box, it's auto width as well. But if I use paragraph, so for example here, you can see that I used this fixed size. So it's really all up to you if you want to use fixed size or if you want to use this auto width feature. Usually what I would do inside of this design system is use auto width for the titles, especially if they are left aligned or center aligned, and I would use fixed for paragraphs. So it's really all up to you how you want to use it, but basically headings are there. Once again, make sure to pay attention to where you are editing these. So if I click right here just to see this, so it's Proxima Nova 24 regular, so it's actually 24 regular is for the body. So if I open it up, you can see it's this one right here. So if you make a change right here, click edit and change it, it's going to change here as well. If you change this 64, which you mentioned previously, if you change it here, it's going to update here as well. So just pay attention to that. And that's the whole point of this design system. Whatever you are changing, make sure to change in the master component or in the master state, and then that change is going to cascade down throughout every single instance that we have inside of this design system. In the next video, we are going to talk about colors, changing colors, and how easy it is to update the colors to work for your project. So I'll see you there. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to check out the previous one from this playlist, make sure to click right here, or to check out the next one from this playlist, make sure to click right here. If you want to see full playlist for all videos from this course, make sure to check down in the description below. Link for the full playlist is going to be down there in case you missed something.